The gentle wind frae o'er the forth, it whispers, "Come to me." A longing stirs within my heart, the ochils for to see, to go and tread the ancient hills, then the mountains north and west, to ken and better understand this land that I love best. I hae this yearning deep within, an endless gnawing need, to seek out old Alba's ancient ways, frae St Abbs to Dunnet Head. To stroll beneath a saltire sky and a blaw Scottish sun, to hear the wild geese high above and watch the rivers run. I hear the sough of the whispering wind, it draws me out the door. I'll put my best foot to the road, like 1,000 times afore. Awa to they high and wild hills, where the air is fresh and clear, just me, mysel, and the lonesome wind, and the running o' the deer.